Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the trip in the Sauida application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the trips button at the bottom of the page, and then click on the add a trip button. So to add the trip, you have to select if you want to set the identification type to booking reference or frequent flyer number. Of course, if you have a frequent flyer number, you can do that. And if you chose that, then you have to type your frequent flyer number and then your last name. And with that, by clicking on the add trip button, your trip will be there. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.